Hi, I'm Manny Viana. I'm the service manager of Porsche Ontario, and I just wanted to take a few minutes to let you know about a project that we will be doing over the next 6 months. We have this really nice black 1989 3.2 Carrera Targa that needs quite a bit of work. It needs an engine rebuild. It has quite a few leaks. It has clutch problems. It has some body problems. It has quite a few little things that really need to be taken care of. And we will be doing this project over the next 6 months. So please stay tuned. We will be posting regular updates, photos, videos on our progress. Thank you very much for your time.